Hi everyone, I'm teacher Jia Yi here. Today, I would like to teach you all about mathematics, addition. Before I start addition, I would like to invite everyone to do numbering counting. Are you ready? Let's go! 1 O-N-E 1 2 T-W-O 2 3 T-H-R-E-E 3 4 F-O-U-R 4 5 F-I-V-E 5 6 S-I-X 6 7 S-E-V-E-N 7 8 E-I-G-H-T 8 9 N-I-N-E 9 10 T-E-N 10 11 E-L-E-V-E-N 11 12 T-W-E-L-V-E 12 13 T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N 13 14 F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N 14 15 F-I-F-T-E-E-N 15 16 S-I-X-T-E-E-N 16 17 S-E-V-E-N T-E-E-N 17 18 E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N 18 19 N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N 19 20 T-W-E-N-T-Y 20 Let's move to addition. Now, what they give you the second number? 2. Take out 2. What they give you the first number? 5. Don't take out 5. 5 put in your head. 5, 6, 7. The answer is 7. Next question. What they give you the second number? Yes, 4. Take out 4. What they give you the first number? 6. 6 put in the head. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The answer is 10. Next, what they give you the second number? Good. 1. Take out 1. What they give you the first number? Good. 7. Don't take out 7. 7 put in your head. 7, 8. The answer is 8. Next, what they give you the second number? Yeah, 6. Take out 6. What they give you the first number? 2. 2 put in your head. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The answer is 8. Next, what they give you the second number? Yes, 3. Take out 3. What they give you the first? 4. 4 put in your head. 4, 5, 6, 7. The answer is 7. Next, what they give you the second number? Again 3. Take out 3. What they give you the first number? 2. 2. Put in your head. 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job, guys. Next, what they give you the second number? Yes, 1. Take out 1. What they give you the first number? 1 again. Don't take out. Keep in your head. 1, 2. The answer is 2. Next, did you solve this question? Got 0. 5 plus 0. Remember what I told you all? Any number plus with 0, the answer will be same. So 5 plus 0, the answer will be correct. 5. Again, 5 plus 0, the answer will be 5. Okay, next question. What they give? Same like last question. As 0 plus 6. Did you solve the 0? So any number plus with 0, the answer will be same. Remember this formula? Any number plus with 0, the answer will be same. 0 plus 6 equal to? Good, 6. Well done, guys. I hope everyone will learn for today's lesson. And I will see you next time. And stay safe, stay healthy, stay at home.